Okay, tell me a story.
A bear was underwater and he was a monster thing. A monster thing on this no way.
Oh no, then what happened?
A monster go away.
Oh.
And one time a knight saved her.
A knight saved her?
Yeah.
Oh.
And she was in her head in big day.
Is that the end?
Yeah.
That was a good story.
Yeah.
Thank you.
I'm gonna be big one day.
Okay. You read me that big one.
No, you do.
Okay.
You need that one. You need that one. You need.
You want me to read this to you?
Yeah.
Okay. Are you going to read your book?
No, your book.
Okay. Say goodbye.
Huh?
Say goodbye to the camera.